people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Biz Kitchen. So today I'm going to cook, or rather I will be cooking Matumbo. Most of you people know it as Matumbo. You can call it the Tripe, but it's well known as Matumbo. I've already washed them. You can see they're all cleaned up. So what I'll do, I'll boil them for 2 good hours. You have to boil the Matumbo for 2 hours for you to get some tenderness of the Matumbo. I'll be using the spices, not too much spices, just for the garam masala and the chili flakes, the salt to taste. I have my capsicum here, my tomatoes, my onions, the garlic and the ginger, and the cucumber. That's what I'll be using. So I've already washed my Matumbo. The only thing remaining here is to bring them to a boil for 2 hours. Then we stick around and see the outcome. Been 1 hour and let's see, there we go, still boiling. I'll just allow it to boil for another 1 hour, yeah, because Matumbo at times are so hard. I want it tender. Yeah, we give it another 1 hour. So here I've already cut everything into slices. I've sliced everything up. These are the tomatoes, the onions well diced, my ginger garlic. This is my courgette, I just love it like this, and my capsicum. Yeah. For the lemon, I'll just squeeze the juice on after I finished cooking. So there we go. Everything all ready. So let me check how my Matumbos are doing. It's now been 2 hours. Let's check. There we go. Awesome. I guess by now they're ready. Let me see. By now they're ready. 2 good hours. And the water was up to here. I had filled the sufuria up to here all the way. You can see it has boiled all the way. Yeah. Ready for cooking. Ready for spicing it up. Let me test one. Which one? No, which one? No. Which part? This is part of the Matumbo that I love. I guess it's this one. Like a hard part. Let me see that it's ready. There you go. It's very soft, by the way. Very, very soft. I love it. Very tender. Tender to cook. I'll start by cooking my onions. I have plenty of onions on this other side. As you see, they're going. I'll be doing to the ugali and vegetables, the green vegetables on the side. There we go. I've already drained the water, and it's all soft and tender. It's time to cook it. I have everything ready. You can imagine, you see this ball? This is a whole kg of Matumbo. You remember I had shown you when I started, it was way too much. You remember? It even looked like maybe 2 kg or something. It was 1 kg. But after boiling it, it shrinks to this capacity, to this volume. Okay. This will be enough for 4 or 5 people, right? With some veggies on the side and ugali. Time to cook. So I'm going to start by cooking my onions. Add in my ginger garlic paste. Yeah, then we follow the steps. Kamakawa. Stick around. There we go. I'll start by heating up my oil. Then I'm going to add in my onions. Oh my goodness. I also already had some water. That's why all this splashing of oil. I'm going to cook my onions first. There we go. So I'm going to allow the onions to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. They'll have golden up the color that I want. Then I'll go in with my ginger garlic paste. Then I'll add, before I add the tomatoes and the capsicum, I'm going to put in my Matumbo. So I'm going to give it like 2 to 3 minutes. On the other side, I'm doing the veggies. Yeah. At this stage, I'm going to add in my ginger. 1 tablespoon. There we go. Ginger garlic paste. You mix it all together. Cook it for a minute. Then you add in the Matumbo. I'm going to add in my tripe. Well, Matumbo, well known as tripe. There we go. Tripe. But both of the people, you tell them tripe, they'll be like, what is tripe? Just call it Matumbo. It's Matumbo, yeah, right? There we go. So I'm going to cook until it gets to the color that I desire, the golden color. I'm going to keep turning and turning for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes before I add in my other ingredients. You put all the onions in. Nothing should be above the tripe. The tripe, oh God, this word, the tripe. I love it when I call it Matumbo, yeah, right? There. So I'm just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then back and put the other ingredients. Let me check now. Oh, there we go. This is what I wanted, you know. I just wanted the Matumbo to cook with the ginger and the onion. Oh my goodness. This is what I wanted before I put in my tomatoes. Like the flavors of the ginger, the garlic, the onions. Wanted them to mix well with the Matumbo, the tripe. Matumbo stroke tripe. There we go. So by now, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Oh, look at that. Dig in my tomatoes. Go in with my capsicum. I want all these onions to be inside my cooking pots. Then I'm going to add in my courgettes. There we go. And I'm going to allow it to cook for 4 to 3 minutes before I mix it up. There we go. After 5 minutes, this is the outcome. The tomatoes are still not yet because they have to cook and crush up. So I'm just still going to allow it to cook for a few more minutes. Then you see the outcome. Look at that. Oh, look, it's so nice. Can't wait for everything to cook up and see the whole outcome. They look so nice. There we go. This is the outcome. I have allowed all the tomatoes to cook. You can see everything is all crushed up. Now I'm going to put in my spices. I'll be going in with the garam masala and the paprika and salt to taste, and some more cubes. There's the paprika. Going in with the paprika. 1 tablespoon. There we go. For the garam masala, going in with another tablespoon. There we go. The cubes, I'll be using 2 cubes to crush it up. There you go. Then I'm going to put in my salt to taste. That's enough. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. Everything to mix up. Then I allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then our Matumbo tripe is ready. There we go. And look at that, looking so nice. Oh my goodness. Let me cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes, then I'll be done. It's ready now. You can see that is my outcome. This I wanted it to be. So the only thing that is left here is to garnish it up with some corianders. Yeah, looking so nice, so lovely, so yummy. There we go. So my matumbo is ready for garnishing. Here is my coriander, dania. There we go. So I'm just going to garnish with my dania and give it a good mix. There we go. That is the outcome. What do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of my matumbo stroke the tripe? What do you think? Now it's time to serve. Then we dig in. Looking so yummy, looking so lovely, looking so delicious. Karibuni. There we go, time to serve. Here's my ugali. 2 pieces are enough for me. So I'm serving my matumbo, or the tripe, how you call it. There. Look at that. The garnishing makes it to be more colorful. And on the other side, I'll have my veggies here. That's enough. So, welcome as I enjoy my meal. Yeah, then for the lemon, I had a lemon here on the side. This is optional. If you want, you can squeeze the lemon on top of your food. That is the matumbo or the tripe, or you can do it with it. Plus for the chili flakes, I didn't cook with it, but I'll pour on top of my food, yeah, because I'm a chili person. So let me just, without putting anything else first. Oh, the food looks so nice. Look at that. What do you think? Here we go. A piece of ugali. I put in some veggies. I do go in with my matumbo. There. Look at that. Oh my god. I can't wait to taste. So yummy. So soft. So tender. So delicious. Oh my goodness. I didn't think the outcome would be this nice. You know? If you're craving for this, the matumbo thing, the matumbo dish, holla. Inbox. Thank you so much, people, for sharing, for following, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's keep supporting each other, and thanks so much for the support. I love you, people. That was basic question for you. Until next time. Bye-bye.